everyone. Today for supper, I'm going to be making a Watusi stew. I have a recipe for hamburger stew, so I'll leave that recipe in the description box below. I'm just substituting Watusi for the hamburger. What all goes into the Watusi stew? 2 pounds of russet potatoes. This is a 5-pound bag, so I won't be using all of it. 1/2 pound of carrots sliced, about 4 carrots. I just got the already sliced one. 1 yellow onion. I have a white one here. 2 cloves garlic, minced. I've got the already minced. 1/2 teaspoon dried rosemary. 1/2 teaspoon dried thyme. 1/4 teaspoon freshly ground pepper. 1 pound of ground Watusi. Not the dance, but the animal. Or ground beef. 1 15-ounce can stewed tomatoes. This is 14.5, close enough. 2 cups of beef broth. This is unsalted, so I will add a little bit of salt. 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. And 1 cup of frozen peas. So let's begin. So take your slow cooker. I usually use a liner of some sort, either disposable or silicone. Since I'm making a stew, I think it'll be easier for cleanup with a disposable. Add your 2 pounds of potatoes in the slow cooker. And you're going to want at least the 5-quart or bigger for this. Put your 1/2 pound of sliced carrots. Mine was already sliced, and I weighed them on my scale. A lot of carrots. And your diced yellow onion, mine is white. 3 cloves of garlic. I have a little bit extra because I like garlic. 1/2 teaspoon of rosemary. 1/2 teaspoon of thyme. 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. And since my beef broth is unsalted, I'm going to just do salt to taste. Then take a skillet and put your 1 pound of Watusi or ground beef, whatever you're using, and cook that until it is brown and thoroughly cooked. Now, Watusi is pretty lean. I shouldn't have too much grease to have to drain. But after it's all cooked, be sure and drain your meat. So then put your brown ground Watusi meat in the crock pot, or if you're doing hamburger, you could do ground turkey or ground chicken or ground zebra. The choice is yours. You're the one that's making it. We got about 2.5 freezers full of this exotic meat. So anytime it calls for hamburger, I try to use one of those kinds of ground meat. This is definitely going to be a full crock pot full. And I haven't even put the liquid in yet. Then put your 14.5 ounces or 15 ounces can of stewed tomatoes. Your 2 cups of beef broth. And it's unsalted. If you want unsalted, just add a little bit of salt. If you have salted beef broth, you don't have to add any salt. 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. And mix that up so it can cook evenly. Then put your lid on. You can put it on low and cook for 8 hours or high for 4 hours. So here's the Watusi stew. Rounding out the meal is 5 cheese Texas toast. Let's see what Dave thinks. You can see the steam.
Yeah, it looks very warm. Still looks very warm. That's pretty good. sage that I'm tasting? Is there?
No, there's thyme and rosemary in there.
Okay. I'm not very good at recognizing spices, but I knew it wasn't just a chili pepper kind of thing.
Can you guess what it is?
Kangaroo.
We don't have kangaroo, but it's Watusi stew.
Okay. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.